So this week you've read all about blazers. The weather is changing. I know we had snow at the beginning of the week, but it is time to think about spring. Now, blazers are the best way to update your wardrobe. And I used to buy Zara, I used to buy H&M, but I am not doing that anymore. You can find the same pre-loved for the same money as you would in Zara, but you get a designer piece. Now this is mulberry. It's gorgeous. It's got the most beautiful buttons, and again, I found this on eBay. It was brand new. It still has the labels attached to it. And I think it cost me £35, so it cost me no more than what I would pay at H&M, but it's mulberry and I will have it forever. The same thing with this. Now this is a brand I want to tell you about. It's Planet. They are British blazers. They were a beautiful, beautiful company. Unfortunately, they've gone out of business now, but you will find so many of these on eBay. They are cut beautifully. So think about Isabel Moran. Isabel Moran jackets cost sometimes up to £500–600. This cost me, again, £25, and there are loads of them online. It really is about, instead of wandering the high street, it's about going online and looking for something specific. So for me, it was a boyfriend blazer from Planet. All the listings came up, and then you can find what you're looking for. And look for sellers that accept returns. These are true to size, so I'm a size 10, I've taken a size 10. So head to eBay and look for Planet is my top tip this week on catwalkschoolgates.com.